Here is another video that you might or might not choose to use, and that will be something that could help you eliminate the squeaks that will usually happen when the back of the tread rubs up against the front of the riser. And again, you don't need to do this. I'm just throwing this out there as another idea that might or might not work for you. So here we can see where the tread butts up against the back of the riser. Usually going to get a noise right around here. And this is definitely something I've seen plenty of times. And of course, my idea is simple. You would just simply extend the bottom of the riser, and then that distance I'll leave up to you. I think a 1/2 inch would be good. And then you'll need to notch over the stringers. And this will definitely be a lot more work, because you're also going to need to dado a slot in the riser. And I would imagine 1/4 of an inch would be fine in depth if you're using 3/4 inch risers. I don't know if you'd be able to use anything smaller, for example, 1/2 inch plywood or OSB. And of course, you will need to make the tread a little wider. And you could always use adhesive or nail through the back of the riser into the tread. Maybe use staples or smaller nails. And if you take your time and really create a nice fit here, you're probably not going to need any adhesive. But again, I've always looked at adhesive as another method to prevent, maybe not eliminate all the time, but a lot of times you're going to be able to prevent the squeaking if you have it on top of the stringers. And I don't think it's necessary along the front, but you can definitely put it along the back, even if you're not going to use this method. But if you don't use this method and you just simply put some adhesive on the face of the riser at the bottom where the tread's going to meet up against it, and it somehow separates, you could end up with a squeaking noise again. And I don't think you're going to run into that here. And the last suggestion I'd like to make in this video is you could always overspan your stringers if that would work for your project, because you're going to have a shorter distance here because of the groove notched into the riser. But that will also depend upon the width of the stairway and the design of the stairway, and of course, what the stairway is going to be used for. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.